How many hours are you already masked?
You know, I'm a streamer, so I can do up to 12 hours.
Up to 12 hours. Hey, it's Javi Mac. I'm here with
Audrey Madison.
Nice to meet you, Audrey. And so, what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
You know, probably that much more. Yeah.
How many hours are you already masked?
You know, I'm a streamer, so I can do up to 12 hours.
Up to 12 hours?
Yeah.
Oh my God. But you like it?
I love it. I'm a marathoner. They call me the Energizer Bunny.
Oh, the Energizer Bunny.
Never get tired. Yeah.
Oh, never get tired. I like that. That's good. You got me beat.
Right.
I think the max I could do is 2 hours.
Really? Yeah.
12 hours is impressive.
You know, it's being an athlete, you know? Definitely, yeah, I definitely trained myself up to that, you know. I've been doing this 12 years, so.
Oh, yeah. And what do your fans look forward to when you're interacting with them? What are they looking for? What are they looking for?
I mean, usually for me to be extremely and be really weird. And a mixture of both.
I love that. And the reason I'm asking is because I'm here with Super Creator today, and they help people save time and help people, like, you know, really connect with their fans and whatnot.
Cool. Yeah, I love doing that. I think that's sort of the big magic in amateur content and creator-led content is the interaction.
Well, thank you so much. Where can people find you?
Well, you can find me on X at Audrey Madison SM and Instagram Audrey Alien Madison.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Great to meet you.